This is feedback for Dalal M on IC1. Generally really good, but there's a few things you could work on. WW means wrong word, so this word needs to be a different word. You're missing a verb right here. There's a disconnect between these two sentences, meaning you were given good background information and then you just like stop and just start your thesis. So give a good connecting sentence that connect those two ideas. Here a word is missing, spelling, you're spelling this word wrong. Here I'm saying show me how. So you make a good point here. You should give an example right here of how cell phones lead to obesity, and then you say consequently. Like I said, wrong word here because you're not showing how obesity leads to, or cell phones lead to obesity. You're just saying consequently they have health problems. Like how? Like you need to show me how. Here, this word doesn't need to be here. Down here, I think you're trying to say here they don't talk to people. That's maybe your point that you're trying to say. You need to be clear and say your point. They don't talk to people, and then give your example. And then after your example, you show the result. Okay, so since they're doing this, they won't be talking to people, and as a result, they'll have social problems. So remember, keep on bringing it back. This one, I thought this wasn't really related. They use their mobile phones all the time. How's that a social problem? Like, again, it's not specific enough. If you want to give me another sentence here and just show me how being on the cell phone takes away from their time with other people and it leads to social problems, say that. It's not in instance, it's for instance. And then again here, children will not sleep enough. Okay. But again, how's that social? Just because their mom and dad are mad at them? How is that a social problem? That sounds more like health problem. Alright, make those changes, upload into port 1, week 9.